Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have this beautiful orange makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoy it. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to start off with the e.l.f. Putty Primer, and I'm going to go ahead and apply this all over my face. I'm just going to use this to prep my face for foundation to make sure that it lasts all day. So I'm going to go ahead and blend that into my skin, and then we're going to go ahead and move on to foundation. For foundation today, I am actually going to be using the NARS, and this is the color Santa Fe in medium 2. And I'm just going to go ahead and blend that into my skin with a beauty sponge, and this beauty sponge is from e.l.f. And I'm just going to go ahead and make sure that everything's really nice and blended. Moving on to concealer, I'm going to be using Morphe's concealer, and I do have a discount code, Prettygrace, for some money off online or in stores. You can definitely use Prettygrace to get some money off your purchases. So I'm going to go ahead and apply it to my forehead, cupid's bow, bridge of my nose, chin, under the eyes, and I'm just going to go ahead and blend it out with that same e.l.f. sponge and make sure everything is really nice and blended. Moving on to blush, I'm going to be using this one from Note Cosmetics. I'll list all the products down below for you guys. If you guys are interested in any of these products, I'll list them down below with discount codes if I have any. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this on top of my foundation just so that it pops out a little bit more. Then after that, I'm going to go ahead and set my face with the new Laura Mercier Blur setting powder, and I love it. From there, I'm going to go ahead and use the LA Girl bronzer just to bronze up my face, to give myself a little bit of contour, make myself look a little bit slim. Then I'm going to go with this orangey shade and apply it to my brow, from my crease, and then I'm just going to blend upwards. I'm actually going to build this color, so I'm going to go ahead and I'll use another orangey shade right there, and I'm just going to apply this lower from where I applied the first orange. And I'm just building this. Like I said, I'm going to apply it until I am satisfied of the intensity of the color. Then with concealer from e.l.f., I'm going to go ahead and do a little cut crease. So I like to do this method so that it tells me where I should do my cut crease, so when I have my eyes open you can actually see it. So I'm going to move on with a ColourPop palette. I'm going to apply this shimmery shade right where I did the concealer, and I'm just using my finger to pack it on because I feel like it just packs it on a little bit better. Then with my finger I'm going to apply this glitter. It's like a creamy type of glitter. I don't know how to explain it, but I really like it. Then I'm going to blend these two colors together, mix these two colors together, and blend them into the outer corner of my eye just to give it a little bit of depth. And then I'm going to apply those same colors onto the bottom lash line just to kind of give it that, you know, same color type of vibe. And then I'm just going to go ahead and blend everything out. Then I'm going with this shimmery orangey shade and apply this into the inner corner of my eyes just so that it gives a little bit of pop. Then I'm going to go with this lighter shade and apply it to my brow bone just to give me a little bit of a shimmer and a highlight onto my brow bone. And I'm just going to blend everything out, of course. And then if I feel like I need to apply more shadow, I definitely go back and reapply the shadow. Then for mascara, I'm using the Buxom mascara, and I'm just applying this to my lashes, prepping them for my falsies. These falsies that I'm using here are from Amazon. I do have them in my storefront, so if you guys want to definitely check that out, you can definitely go ahead and check that out. Then I'm using this LA Girl. It's supposed to be a blush, but I'm using it as a lip color because I didn't have like an orangey lip color. So yeah, there's no rules, so definitely can use whatever you guys want. I decided to use it as a lip color. Then I'm going with this KVD liquid lip in Noble just to kind of make it a little bit nuder, and then I just blend it out with my finger, and this should be the final look. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.